Hi friends, this is Raja. Welcome to Coder's Companion. The topic that I am going to cover in this video is comparison operators. This is a series of video on Python programming for beginners. And for more videos, you can visit my channel or click on my playlist link given in the description. Before moving on to the video, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. Let's get started. This is the second topic in Python operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values. It returns either true or false as output. Listed here are the comparison operators. Let's understand each operator with examples. Equal to operator. The double equal to symbol is used as equal to operator. If both operands are equal, then it returns true, else returns false. Not equal to operator. An exclamation mark followed by equal to symbol is used as not equal to operator. If both operands are not equal, it returns true, else returns false. Greater than operator. If left operand is greater than the right, it returns true, else false. A greater than symbol is used as operator. Less than operator. If left operand is less than the right, it returns true, else false. Here a less than symbol is used as operator. Greater than or equal to. If left operand is greater than or equal to the right, it returns true, else returns false. A greater than symbol followed by an equal to symbol is used as operator. Less than or equal to. If left operand is less than or equal to the right, it returns true, else returns false. A less than symbol followed by an equal to symbol is used as operator. Open Python interactive shell. Let's create variable x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. X double is equal to y returns false because x is not equal to y. This line returns true because x is not equal to y. This line returns true because x is greater than y. This line returns false because x is not less than y. It returns true in this case either x is greater than y or x is equal to y. If any one condition is true, then it returns true, else returns false. It returns false because x is not less than y and not equal to y. Here both the condition is false, so it returns false. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share the link to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you get the notification each time I publish a new video. See you in next video.